Boy, oh boy, do we have a great home for you today. This home, located at 1204 Winding Way in the Water Oak neighborhood of Georgetown, is a one-story, 2,500 square foot home, and it has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and an office. Not only will you notice that it is beautiful on the exterior, it offers a 3-car garage, but it has a greenbelt lot with hill country views. So let's go take a look. This perfect dining room features not only a stone accent wall, but also sunlight so that you get plenty of natural light. Love to cook or entertain? This is the perfect kitchen to do both. Featuring a stone backsplash, a pot filler for ease, a gas cooktop, and 2 different kinds of granite countertops as well as a stainless steel sink. This is the perfect kitchen not only for function, but also for style. So excited about the backyard at this house, and let me tell you why. Not only do you have a greenbelt lot, but you also have elevated hill country views right over here. Additionally, you have a great covered patio with 2 different spaces. So you have a space for a conversational set, maybe to enjoy a glass of wine as you're winding down your day, but then you also have a space perfect for having dinner and enjoying the outdoors during the fall and springtime. Now let's take a look of this view and some of the stonework. So if you're looking for an exquisite one-story home in Georgetown, don't miss this one while it's available.